Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Google Play as an application on your laptop or PC. So first, open Microsoft Edge. And then search on Google Play. And then what we want to click is the first one in here, Google Play, your official Android store. Click on that. Now, on the upper right part of your screen, you'll see a burger icon, the one in here. Click on this, and then click on Apps. Hover your mouse into Apps, and then you'll see an option, Install the site as an app. Click on this, and then click on Install. Now it says in here, app is already installed. Now you can pin it to the taskbar, pin to start. You can create a desktop shortcut and whatnot. You just need to tap on allow, and that's it. You were able to install Google Play on your laptop or PC. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.